Hello everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add a text divider in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Page Builder. I have added this using Supreme module for Divi plugin. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now, first of all, you have to add a new plugin. For this, hover over plugins and click on Add New. In search bar, search Supreme Module Lite. As you can see, the Supreme Module Lite Divi theme built by Supreme Modules. It has 100,000 plus active installations. Click on Install now. After installing, click on Activate. Now click on Dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Now click on Post or go to Pages. I will click on Pages. Select a page in which you want to add text scroll bar. I want to add in this page, so I will click on this Edit with Divi. Now here you have to select a place in which you want to add text divider. I will click on this plus button, add a regular section and then add a single row. Here the module appears. Scroll down. Here you can see the Supreme modules that comes with the plugin that we have added now. Scroll down. Here you can see Supreme text divider. Select this one. Now in text divider you can add your custom text. I will add scroll down. Now go to design. In color you can change the divider color. I will make it dark black. Now in styles you can change the divider style. You can make it dashed or dotted. I will leave it at solid. Now go to text. You can change the text alignment. You can make it left or right, but I will leave it to the center. Now here is the divider text. At the top you can change the font. I will select actor. You can change the font weight. I will make it bold. Here you can change the text color. Also you can change the text size. I will leave it at 30. You can add text shadow and change shadow color. Now click on this tick button. Click on these three dots and save the post. Now you have successfully updated the page. To take a live preview, click on this Exit Visual Builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added text divider in your WordPress page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.